and the good work that he's doing in the entire country through his numerous activities towards uniting the people of this country, integrating the people of this country. So just know that we are here to congratulate him and to call this cake his honor. I therefore want us to cut this cake after spelling, may God bless the Oluiwo. So I will just say, I will spell, may God bless our Emir. He wants to be called Emir all the time. So may God bless our Emir. MAYGODBLESSEMIR.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Senator. Thank you very much, sir.
The Deputy Senate President of Nigeria Senate, His Excellency Senator Barau Jibrin CFR.
Barau Jibrin CFR, thank you.
Alhaji Tunde Rahman, SSA Media President, the Governor of Osun State, represented by Honorable